Up to now, I know what the heck is going on, but this is a fight. Like, come on, it's a what? I don't get this. This school is crazy. Look at a whole bunch of kids. Bunch of kids out here, crazy, don't know what to do. What's going on? What's going on?
Who was that walking down there?
I don't know. They're just skipping school. What's going on?
That much. How you doing, man?
I'm doing great.
Baseball stuff.
See
Calling
me?
to a sport, huh? Alright, good.
What's going on in the
Play
school?
anything else? Can you play anything else?
Yeah, soccer.
You play soccer too?
Yeah,
Basketball?
I'm trying to. Nah, no football.
No football, no contact, huh?
Yeah, I'm not trying to get
You
that.
gonna try to play basketball, huh? Hey, where you going? Get back here. Get back here.
Don't really like getting serious. Hey, bro.
What's your attitude? Where the hell Brandy go?
Guess what?
People trying to escape. People trying to escape. People trying to escape home, but it says a grenade plant in the school. So we all have to bring this down. Even him right there. Got me messed up, man. I'm about to go see my man over there. Hey, dog. What happened? What happened in school? They put a grenade in that junk? Yeah, probably. They got no smoke. They got no... Why is everyone out? I ain't make no sense. I ain't gonna fucking sense. My house is probably... My former house used to be right there. They ain't trying to talk. What's going on? You don't know? Well, you like see do you press the alarm or some shit like that?
Yeah, I did it.
You did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, say it one more time to the camera. No, you say you did it right. Say it one more time. Boy, you say you did it. You are not playing, bro. That junk is on camera, bro.
He blow HD.
Bro, they're blowing the school up or something like that.
I got bum in school.
Say it one more time.
No walk bottom.
Yeah, and people keep saying it's an explosion, man. Oh, they're going back in.
I blow up school.
That man say blows up school. Oh, they about to suspend him. That's cool. Oh, man. But what the heck? Thank you for doing that. I didn't even see that. Thank God we're going back. Damn. What's that?
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Boom. Boom. My school go boom. Allahu Akbar.
This school is the bomb.
I had bomb in school. I blow school up. I have the detonator bomb in my bag.
What do you say, boy?
I have a bomb in school. Yeah, the school will boom. And all the students. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. What up, Mom?
It's kind of like a movie.
I have bomb in school.